What's going on？ 大家好，我是做公民的安夫人。在我们这个我的厨房呢，这边有一只熊呢突然现身，它正在舔这个 hummingbird feeder， 这个是给蜂鸟吃的这个蜜水。Oh my goodness， is mama or baby？ 太有趣了。
Oh man, he's going after my hummingbird feeder. No, no.
Oh, this is a baby.
Oh no, man.
This is
What
mama.
are we doing?
下面还有一只
Oh,
宝
I have to go
宝。
out there and have a talk with her.
I wonder if it's a mama with 2 or mama with 3. Oh, actually, this is mama with 2 because her face is prettier. 我们估计这只是可能是妈妈带着2只宝宝的熊妈妈。好有趣哦，吃的太开心了啊！这个是加了糖水的这个蜜汁，是要给蜂鸟吃的。现在看起来这只熊呢吃的太开心了，不愿意离去。是 energy source。哦哇哦！这个画面实在太精彩了，就在我的厨房窗口。
Oh man, what's she
我老公
doing?
也在拍。
The mother and the cub is going after my hummingbird feeder.
OK， 我是做公民的安夫人，欢迎你继续锁定我的视频，继续为你介绍这有趣的黑熊生态。我在美国田纳西州的大燕山国家森林公园的附近。